First up are a group of 9 singers who think they can be bigger than the Spice Girls. Good luck. Good luck.
Right. Who, or should I say, what are you?
We're called the Pussycat Dolls.
Yeah.
And we'll be performing a song and dance for you tonight.
Basically, drag, transvestite, transsexual version of the Pussycat Dolls. Not the Pussycat Dolls, but a version of.
OK. So let's cut to the quick. How many of you are blokes?
We're all blokes.
You're all blokes?
Yes.
OK.
Yeah.
You're all blokes.
They're all blokes. What? What?
OK.
Your face.
And what are all your names out of interest?
We have
Jamie Lee.
Nat, Vanilla.
I'm Donna.
Tony.
You're feeling a bit lonely, Tony. OK, off you go.
Marvellous.
Here we go, girls. Now I know you like me.
I know you like me.
I know you do.
I know you do.
That's why whenever I come around,
She's so over you.
So you watching the match later?
Aye. That's it?
Yeah.
now I know you want me.
I know you want it.
It's easy to see,
It's easy to see.
but
I'm getting a bit hot under the collar here.
Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was free like me? Don't you? Don't you? Don't you wish your girlfriend was raw like me? Oh yeah, don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me? Don't you?
Oh, yeah. Give me the address. I'm there.
Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was free like me?
I know it's wrong, but it just feels so right.
Yeah. Don't you?
Simon Cowell speechless.
Not quite sure what you feel about them.
No, it was interesting.
interesting is good.
And they said the Spice Girls wouldn't get back together.
I think, Simon, this is the girl boy band that you have been waiting for. I absolutely knew I was going to love you the minute you walked on stage. I did.
Instant.
It's completely up my
Yeah.
street. I thought you were all beautiful. You were fantastic. I really enjoyed
Thank you
it.
very much.
I think you could really go quite well in this competition. You could do really well. It's a great act. Great fun.
Loved the attitude. I liked you.
Yes.
Amanda.
Yes.
You're through.
So the Kit Kat Dolls wowed the judges in their own special way and are now one step closer to performing for the Queen.
Oh, God, that was brilliant.